If you have a house in University Heights, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around University Heights. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why so many sellers in University Heights prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than going the traditional route and working with a buyer who might have a real estate agent or might be using some kind of mortgage loan to buy your house. So first and foremost, people love working with us because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means there's no work for you to do whatsoever. You don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. Also, there's no money out of your pocket. There's no trips to the Home Depot and no pulling out the paper towels and the Windex to clean anything, pulling out the broom and the mop. There's no house that needs too much work or too little work. We will buy the house in its as-is condition. And what allows us to do that is we're going to pay cash. So we're not relying on a mortgage company. We're not relying on a lender. That's what a traditional buyer does. We're a true cash buyer, so we can buy the house as is and we can close on the date of your choice. Now, with a traditional buyer, if they're using a mortgage lender, well, they're going to send this thorough inspector through. They're going to test every outlet. They're going to test every light switch and ceiling fan, open and close all the doors. And what they're doing is compiling pages upon pages of things that are wrong with the house, and this could only be used against you. And then if you survive this appraisal or this inspection, now it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. Typically, the appraiser works directly for the bank, and we both know the banks have their own best interests in mind, right? They're going to look for any reason they possibly can to hit you up now for discounts, for extensions, for credits, and they're going to waste your time. And they can cancel at any time as well. And if they cancel, that's a huge waste of time. And in real estate, you're not just wasting time, you're wasting money. Because while you're waiting for them to close, you're paying your insurance and your utilities, property taxes. It could be a nightmare and it could be expensive. And if this traditional buyer has a real estate agent, well, they're going to expect some commissions to be paid, and that's money right off of your bottom line. All of this is unnecessary. When you sell to a direct buyer like us, we've been buying houses in and around University Heights for over 14 years. I'm from there originally. I'm from the Cleveland area originally, and we're going to treat you fair like a local. So we're a true cash buyer. We're going to buy it in its as-is condition, and if you're looking for an offer or if you just want to know what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because we were founded in Columbus, but I'm from the Cleveland area, as I mentioned, and we're very familiar with houses in and around University Heights. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about when you want to close, your closing timeline, because you're in control the entire time, and we need to know more information on the house, and we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in University Heights. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply pressure or have sales tactics or gimmicks, and we're not going to waste your time. So if you have a house in University Heights that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.